Okay, so in this video you are going to look at how you can install MongoDB in your machine and configure it for Laravel application development. So I have this tutorial on MongoDB official website here, and they take you through the steps of setting up a Laravel project and connecting it to MongoDB database. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. So let's just get started. So the steps that we are going to follow are these. First, we are going to download MongoDB community version, which is free. You are allowed to download that and install in your machine. And step 2, we are going to download the MongoDB Apache driver, and we are going to set it up. And then step 3, after setting up, we will install MongoDB. Okay, and then you are going to make sure that we add the MongoDB to the system variables path, to the path, okay, system path, so that we can access it globally on the terminal. And then after that, we are going to set up a new Laravel project, and then we are going to connect it with MongoDB. So let's get started. So the first step is to download the MongoDB community version. So just search for MongoDB community version. And we have this link here. And this is the version that you want to download. Okay, you just want to download this version. So just click on download. And after that, you will just download it, but I already have it here, so I'm not going to re-download it again. But you just download using the normal download procedure. And then what you want to do after downloading, you'll go to the folder it was installed. Okay, mine is here, and you just want to right click, and then you just want to install. Just click on install, and it will start the installation process. So I'm not going to install, but I just want to show you some important things you need to consider while installing. So just click on next, and it is already there. Let me just click on change. I think it's already installed here. But I want to say this, that in the process of installation, make sure that you install it as a service. Okay, make sure you install it as a service. You'll have a button there. They will have a button up here that will be already marked install as a service. And then another one, as you continue forward, you'll get another checkbox down here that is marked that says install MongoDB Compass version. So Compass is the MongoDB graphical user interface, that the interface that helps you to interact with the MongoDB databases that you've just set up. Okay, so that will be it. Just follow the process and then you install it. That will be it. And then after that, to make sure that MongoDB is added to the system path, you just go to open the drive in which you install operating system, the disk in which you install the operating system. So in my case it is local disk C. So I'll just go to program files, and right here I'll get MongoDB. So you want just to click on MongoDB, and then server, and then the version, and then you click on bin folder, and right here you can get the path. Okay, you can get this path. So you just copy this path, and then you'll just search for system variables, and you'll get this edit system environmental variables. You just click on it, and after that it is going to open this box. You click on environment variables, and this path here, you select the path and click on edit. And here, make sure that this is added. So just make sure, just if this is not there, just click on new and then you can paste that. But mine is already added to the environment variable, so I'll not care. I'll not change it. So that's it. So after that, we have a file that you have to download. So just search PECL MongoDB. It's going to open this. If you go to this URL, it's going to open this. And here, what you want to do, to the latest step of version here, just click on DLL and it will open this interface. You just want to download this thread safe here. Just click on download the thread safe, and then it is going to be let me just download and show. So just download it. I've already downloaded it. It is in downloads there. So you can see TS, this, where is it? This one here, I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again, but just download it. And after downloading it, you go to the folder, the folder where you downloaded, and then you extract it. And after extracting it, you go to that folder, right? And then you select, you copy this file, php_mongodb.dll. You just copy that file and you go to your XAMPP folder. I am using XAMPP, so that's why I'm demonstrating using XAMPP, because my PHP points to the XAMPP folder. So I'll open XAMPP and then PHP and then extension ext, and then here we have that you can see MongoDB php_mongodb.dll. Make sure you paste that there. Okay, you just paste it there, and that is it. So after that after that you go to, that is not it actually. After that you go to, you just open php.ini file, and you can open it by just opening your XAMPP control panel, and then you click on config, and then you can see it here. Or you can just navigate through the folder structure to this file, php.ini. It is the Apache configuration file. And then what you just want to search for extension, just search for extension, and it will take you to the place where extension starts. So you can see the enables extensions like curl, like GD driver, and all these others. So just go to the bottom of that file or anywhere within this file here and do this, add this line, extension equals to MongoDB, and save that file, and that will be it. You have already configured your machine with the MongoDB database, so you can work with MongoDB database. So after that, what you want to do, let me just start the server here, and I just want to go and set up a new Laravel project that I'm going to connect with the MongoDB just for demonstration. So I'll go to XAMPP, and then htdocs, then projects, and then I'll just do a new project, and I'll do Mongo. Okay, I can just open the terminal here. Can just open terminal here and install a new Laravel project. So I'll just do composer create project Laravel /Laravel, and then I just do Mongo test. You can just hit enter. It is going to install a new Laravel project, to set up a new Laravel project. So as it installs, there is a package that we'll need for Laravel. So if we just search Laravel MongoDB GitHub, you'll find this package that is called gensegas slash Laravel hyphen MongoDB, and this is the package that we use. Right, so you'll have to install this package, and you have to look at the Laravel version compatibility before. If you are using, you can see version 3.8 is compatible with Laravel 8.x, and that is what you are going to use here. So make sure that you install for the version that you are using, okay? The Laravel version. So we'll have to install this package, and we'll start here. Composer require gensegas slash MongoDB. So just copy this. So our Laravel project is already set up, and we just want to move into that project by doing cd mongo test. And we are there, and what you want to do is to install. So if, let me just first show you PHP artisan serve, and I can open local disk. I can open this Laravel project. You can see it is running a localhost port 8000 here. You can see a new Laravel project instance here. You can see a new Laravel project running here. So I want us to test with the user registration and login system. Okay, so we have the Laravel running there. So the first thing, I'll just send this server and install that package. So I'll go back here and copy it and install the package. Okay, it has finished installing, and so I just I'll just open that code using my code editor, which is VS Code. And we'll do a few database configurations. So if we go to the MongoDB tutorial here, you can see what you have to do. So we'll go to the database.php, and we are going to add this here. So let's just copy this here up to here and go back to our project config folder and we search for database.php, and here inside these connections you just paste that. So here we have to make sure it is correctly done there, and this one will just change this connection here. We'll change this connection, but we'll go to I'll show you. So we'll go to the .env file, and then to the database section. Here we'll just change it to MongoDB, and then localhost, this one port is 2707. If I'm not wrong, let me just open the compass, MongoDB compass. So it is localhost 27017. 27017. So that is the port, and then the database we are just going to create. We just call it MongoDB test, and then we just remove the username and the password. Okay, yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, and here let's just go to the database. Here it should be URL. You can just do MongoDB / here, you remove that, and we just do MongoDB 127.0.0.1 and 27. So that's in the database. You can just call it MongoDB test. So that's it. That is it. That is it. So let's just do a. We are just going to do a new. This is a new Laravel application, and we are going to install Laravel UI package. Laravel UI. So just do composer require Laravel /UI. So this is going to generate for us registration form and login form, password reset form, and others. So those are the ones that we are going to use to test it. So after that, we'll just do PHP Artisan UI Bootstrap. So we are going to use Bootstrap auth, and it says you do this npm install and npm run dev. So if you encounter this error, I'll just show you how to do it. If you encounter this error, you just do remove. You just want to delete node modules folder, and package.log.json, and then after that to run the command again. So dependencies have been installed successfully, and you can see we have the success message here from Webpack. So after that, if you go here, let's run PHP Artisan serve command again, and just refresh here, and you can see you have the login and register button. So you have to migrate all the migrations that we have, all the migration that we created to MongoDB database. And for us to do that, we'll just open another terminal inside the project folder and run PHP Artisan migrate. And you can see it has migrated, and MongoDB is also very fast. And if we go to MongoDB, if you have installed Mongo Compass, if you go to that and you click on connect, you can see all the databases that we have, right? So the one that you've just migrated is this one here. So if we click here, you can see we have all the migrations have been saved here as databases, right? But we don't have any data there. So after that, there are a few settings. So we'll go to we have already installed this. We have already installed the Gensega /MongoDB. But if your version of Laravel does not support package autoload, you'll have to copy this, and then after copying it, you'll go to config app and go down to service providers and paste it right there, and that will be it. But we have to do something. So for us to create new users, we'll open the user model. So just go to app, http, and then models, and then user. And this user model, you want to do a few changes. So let's just go to the documentation, and So first we need to use this. So just copy that and go to user model and paste that there. And then you also want to use authenticatable as this one. So just copy this and we come, we go to again user model, and then we remove this. So just remove this one there and save it, and that is it. So that is it. So we can register user. So let's just go to the application and just click on register, and I'll just register random user. And there you go, you see this has been registered, right? And if we go to Mongo here and refresh, you see we have one user registered here, right? And that is great. So basically that is how you set up MongoDB for Laravel development, and this will work with any project that you want to work with. For further details about the Laravel MongoDB, you can come to this repository, GitHub repository, and read more about it. So thank you.